this tutorial, we're going to briefly go over how to use the Pandas data library and how to manipulate a data member called a dictionary, and then how to create a data frame. So first of all, let's just go through this block of code that I have here in this cell. Up here at the top, we're just importing a library, in this case the Pandas library, as PD, referring to that when we use the Pandas library, you will be using the syntax PD. So right here, just below it, we're creating a new data member that we haven't covered before called a dictionary. So a dictionary is basically a table, in this case with two members, country, and we have a list of countries here, and then their capitals, and a list of their capitals. The dictionary is useful in the sense that it's an easy, very simple way to create tables that we can then turn later into data frames. So a good chunk of what we'll be doing in the class will be with data frames, because we'll be using the Pandas functions on these data sets. So we want to turn them into data frames first to make them compatible with the Pandas library. So the syntax to just take a variable and turn it into a data frame, very simple. We just take PD dot capital D data capital F frame, parentheses, and in the parameters to this data frame function, in this case we did the dictionary, and then set that equal to C. An aspect that a data frame has is now we can set the index. So we see here on the table we've got our capitals, our country, and then our index is going to be these values here to the left. So let's say I were to take and get rid of the index. Now this just goes back to the default, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put that back in. We have our indexes, our self-set indexes. So again, just a quick review of what it is that we did here. Imported the Pandas library, created a dictionary with title country, capital, created a data frame using that dictionary, set the index to these values, and then printed it out.